Most people download Possible Finance expecting an easy payday loan alternative with fast approval. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, Possible Finance works very differently from typical cash advance apps, and many users do not understand the repayment structure, costs, or risks before borrowing. Some people use it successfully during emergencies. Others regret it because they borrow too much too quickly and underestimate the repayment pressure later. So before you apply, there are a few important things you need to know first. In this video, I'll give you a full, honest Possible Finance review for 2026. Explain how it works, how much you can realistically borrow, and whether it's actually worth using today. Let's get straight into it. Possible Finance is different from apps like Dave or Earnin because it operates more like a small installment loan provider rather than simple early paycheck access. Let's say Alex suddenly faces a car repair bill and needs several $100s quickly. Possible Finance may offer a short-term loan that gets repaid over multiple scheduled payments instead of one single payday withdrawal. The biggest advantage is accessibility. Many users with limited or damaged credit look at Possible Finance because approval may focus more on banking activity and income patterns than traditional credit scores. But here's the problem. Unlike some paycheck advance apps, Possible Finance can be more expensive depending on your state, loan size, and repayment terms. Many people do not realize this until after reviewing the final repayment amount. Now here's where it gets interesting. Possible Finance may help some users avoid extremely high-cost payday lenders, because repayments are split into installments instead of one large lump sum. For example, Jake borrows money for emergency travel expenses and repays it gradually over several payments instead of draining one paycheck immediately. This is where most people fail. They focus only on getting approved fast and completely ignore the long-term repayment impact. Even smaller installment payments can become stressful if your monthly budget is already tight. Another thing users should understand is that approval amounts vary heavily based on account history, income consistency, and repayment behavior. Most first-time borrowers do not receive the maximum loan amount immediately. In a minute, I'll explain who should actually consider Possible Finance and who should avoid it completely. Possible Finance works best for people facing true short-term emergencies who need structured repayments instead of single payday withdrawals. If John suddenly needs emergency medical repairs or urgent travel money, installment payments may feel more manageable compared to one large repayment hit. But if someone already struggles with ongoing debt or repeated borrowing cycles, taking additional installment loans can create even more financial pressure over time. So, is Possible Finance worth it in 2026? For some users, yes. It can provide fast emergency access to cash with more flexible repayment structures than traditional payday loans. But the costs, repayment schedule, and borrowing risks are extremely important to understand before accepting any offer. If this honest Possible Finance review helped you understand the real pros and cons before applying, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below whether you think Possible Finance is worth using in 2026.